In this video, I will be showing you how to decrease using double crochet. So let's say, I'm working in a row or a round and I want to decrease my number of stitches. This type of decrease can be done anywhere in the row. So I'm going to do a 3 double crochet decrease, which means I'm going to take these next 3 stitches of my row and turn them, kind of merge them into one stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work a double crochet into this first stitch, but I'm not going to pull through the last 2 loops. So I'll yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then I'm going to leave these last 2 stitches or loops on my hook. And now I'm going to work that same portion of the double crochet into the next stitch. So we're going to just ignore these loops on our hook right now, and I'm going to pretend like they're not there, and I'm going to work my next double crochet into this stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to ignore these remaining 3 loops and do that one more time on this 3rd stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and at this point you should have 4 loops on your hook, and once you do have 4, you will yarn over one more time and pull through all of these 4 loops on your hook. So that has turned your 3 stitches into 1. And then let's say I just want to continue the row, I would just work another double crochet. So yarn over, this is my next stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Oops. There we go. And now I have decreased.